Just made my morning coffee, just literally coffee with almond milk. Also really excited because all of my materials for the next tie-dye project are here. I think everything is here. I got some purple and pink tie-dye and then some pink tie-dye, just extra. I'm gonna do some more bleaching and then I got white for stuff too. I'm really excited. And this is me this morning. Hi everyone, acne cream is on. Welcome back to my channel. Okay people, howdy. I'm gonna get ready today just because I feel like it. Now you could probably tell I did some self tanning last night and my hands are really bad just in terms of like the evenness and stuff, but we're gonna get over it. I just want it to be a little tan. It's gonna look better tomorrow. It's just a little rough right now. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. I've just been doing a really simple makeup look. A lot of you guys have actually been asking me questions about how I've been filling in my eyebrows, which is why I'm so excited to be working with Wonder 2 on this video. I'm gonna show you guys their Wonder Brow product, but first I'm gonna just do my face makeup. You guys know I just use like a CC cream and then I set it with powder and stuff. I have videos on how I do my makeup on my channel, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get that over with because that's like, and I have my makeup routine down. I can do it in like 10 minutes, you guys. It's pretty good. So let's go ahead and rush through that. We can speed through this clip. So now that my face makeup is on, just like a little glowy look, I like it. Now we are going to go in and do the brows, and I've recently been trying out something new. So I am really particular about my brow products, you guys probably know in the past, because I need something that's easy to apply, but also that looks real. I hate like the look of like drawn on eyebrows, and I already have like naturally like decently thick eyebrows, which is why I really like this product. So basically this is the Wonder Brow. I have the black/brown color if you guys are wondering. That's like for darker hair, I guess. And basically it just has like a brush applicator that I brush onto my eyebrows. But the really cool thing, it comes with the dual precision brush, so you can basically just apply the product and then go in and kind of like fine tune it if you want. Or sometimes I will go in if I'm like going for like the tail of my brows or something, I'll go in and like dip the product in. Like I said, it's very like hair-like looking. It doesn't look like painted on eyebrows, which I really like. I also really notice how long lasting this product is. It's really waterproof, so if you're like swimming in your backyard, I don't live in Florida, but if I did, I would be swimming, and this is waterproof. It's just great for busy days in general. Obviously, I've been like staying in the house more and things like that before my days back in Boston and everything, when they were kind of like longer days and I would do like workouts and stuff. I didn't mind working out with my makeup on, and this would be perfect for that. I also do have a discount code which is going to get you guys some money off, so you could use the code Brooke20 to save on your Wonder 2 purchase. They have other stuff too. I've just been really liking their brow product. I like their mascara too. I've been trying their mascara too, which I really like, but the brow product I will say is a true standout. Right now I'm just going in with the brush and I'm putting it on there, and it's like a really easy application process. Doesn't take too long at all. Then you see like sometimes I'll switch to the spoolie end just to blend it out, but honestly you guys, this looks so natural, but at the same time really fills them in and like completes your face. You don't realize how important brows are until you fill them in properly and you're like, wow, my whole face looks complete. Honestly, even the days that I don't wear that much makeup, I always go to doing like concealer and brows. Those are like my two biggest things because they really just finish off the look, and this is just so easy. Even after it's applied, like I notice it feels almost a little like tacky, and that's because it lasts so long. You have to use like a really strong makeup remover to take it off because it lasts so long, which is really shows the power of it. And then I'm just taking the spoolie end and blending that out. I actually didn't put on mascara today. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and do no mascara. And that is the completed look. Not too bad, right? I'm just wearing a very casual outfit today. These are my Lululemon joggers. This is a Hanes crew neck that I'm gonna bleach dye again, but just like a super casual fit. These are my, I don't know the name of these joggers, but they're from Lululemon. They're super comfy. Hey. And now what? Today I'm planning on doing some Instagram stuff, doing a video interview for a UGA class. They switched to online school and they have a class all about like influencers, and I was asked to do an interview for that, so I'm gonna record my portion of the interview to send over to them today. Not too much going on today. It's like every day, right? Also, by the time this is up, I think the giveaway is going to be over, unfortunately, but Danielle and I just announced that we were doing a giveaway on the Gals on the Go account, and we're gonna start doing giveaways and stuff like that more regularly, so go follow us. This is like a giveaway between Danielle's account, mine, and the Gals on the Go one, and all you have to do is follow us, and we're giving away 5 $100 Visa gift cards. So I'm truly sorry that that's probably over by the time this is going up. It's a little bit later. I've really just sat around today watching YouTube videos. I'm watching Christy's video right now, texting with Danielle, planning some new Gals on the Go merch stuff. I'm really getting pumped. So you'll have to keep up with us on social media and stuff. We have some exciting stuff that you guys have been requesting that I don't think will be a surprise. I don't know when we'll be able to announce it, but we're getting the samples soon. So as long as those are good to go, we'll push it live and bingo. It is later. I'm with my dog watching the news, feeling sad because it's just really freaking depressing. You are so sweet. My dad bought us these Oreos because they're pink glitter. They taste like regular Oreos, but they're pretty. They're so sweet. Me before bed, I have my acne cream on. I just used the Mario Badescu drying lotion, you guys probably know. Got that going and just making a little short to-do list for tomorrow. I was also watching, he's like one of my favorite YouTubers right now, and it's kind of like unexpected, but he's a filmmaker and his YouTube channel is Matt Diavella. His videos are just like so beautifully shot, so I was watching that and just making this little to-do list for tomorrow. And then I'm gonna take melatonin and go to bed. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another beautiful day. Today, it's Cookie's birthday. A lot of you guys were asking, they were like, what's Cookie's like real name? Like that must be a nickname. That's her real name. My mom named her. She's so cute. I just made this coffee, like I'm not leaving my house at all, so I ordered, my hands are still so bad, don't judge me please, okay. But I ordered some stuff in here. These both came from Amazon. These are my Celsius drinks that I have a few in the fridge of, but I ordered these, really good. These are the high brew coffee cans. I think it was like $15 for the 12 pack or something. Comes out to like around $1 a can or something. It's totally not ideal, but they're out of iced coffee in all of the grocery stores basically. What I did today is pour one of these and then almond milk into a tumbler, and then it's basically like iced coffee from home. I just don't really like hot coffee that much. My parents make it every morning, but I just don't really like it that much, which is totally fine. These are really good if you guys are looking for something, and Celsius drinks too. I don't know why I've been like low on the energy lately. I woke up today at like 9:30, which is fine. I'm not gonna beat myself up about getting a little bit of extra sleep and stuff, but if you guys are looking for energy, those are some good things. It tastes really good. I just poured in this cup. Look at that. And I think I have those things on my Amazon shop, but I could go ahead and link them below. And I'm using my new Hydro Flask. I'm actually using it, hi baby. I'm actually using it without the straw lid right now. So it's just like the twist off top, and it's not bad at all. I'm gonna play a little Animal Crossing to get my morning going. So people were asking about my mother's hair because you guys know she gets it blown out very regularly. But right now,
because this is what we're dealing with.
Yeah, it's quite curly and gray at the top. It is in everybody's hair.
Oh, but I have, no, the gray at the top is easily going to be taken care of. But this little number.
Wow. But anyways, I let her borrow my Dyson blow dryer and she loves it. She's obsessed.
I don't even know what all these buttons do though.
Yeah, so that one is,
oh, look at my nails.
Well, when you put it on, this one is power.
Oh, shoosh.
And that one's heat.
All right, why not go with the medium?
Okay.
To heat, I'm all about.
And then the cool button at the end is cool blast.
Yes. Do I do okay, or oh, you mean my back that I'm
It's so crazy because your hair, like the highlights and stuff when they're like this look so bad, but when your hair's all styled, it looks so good. Yeah. You know what I mean?
I guess that's what makes
a good color.
Our little Rachel so good.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Hit it. Oh, and prior to this, she just had it dirty. It was like dirty for like 11 days?
10 days. Nasty.
Yeah, that's just, it looks so good, Mom. Doing a little face mask to pass the day. This is the one that I'm using, by the way. I'm gonna scrub off my hands again. This is the Revitalizing Allergy Clay Mask by Blue. Post shower now, and I'm going to go ahead and catch up on some emails and computer things. I'm chilling here. This has been my recent favorite snack combo. These are from Costco. They're like little hummuses, and then this little hummuses, just hummus. But these pretzels are so good. So they are hollow on the inside. So they're like not super heavy, and they just go so good with hummus, you guys. Oh, and I scrubbed off my hands a little bit in the shower. Wearing my bleach set. Gonna snack on these, and I've been watching this show Little Fires Everywhere. I heard Gretchen and Max talk about it on their podcast, and it is so good. It's Reese Witherspoon, Kerry Washington, just like such a good show. It's on Hulu. For dinner, we're having steak and potatoes. Happy birthday, Cookie. Wow. Wow. These are from Costco, right?
Yeah.
My dad made this cake for the dog's birthday, and people were writing back like that it's obviously not for the dog. So I just wanted to clarify. It's,
of course,
it's a chocolate cake.
But we sing happy birthday to her.
And then we give her treats.
We give her dog treats.
She's like, what's happening?
She knows it's her birthday.
Do you think?
It's crazy.
This is so beautiful. The spread. I look forward to our family dinners every night, you guys.
I look forward to them too. I got asked to do a call, and I said, I can't do a call tonight. I got a family dinner.
Don't text, fam din.
Seriously.
All right, we're gonna sing happy birthday to her in a little bit. Getting out the candles. This is pretty legit. Oh my god.
Okay, there's a
1.
Okay.
A 0. We don't have any zeros, so we did a 5, a 3, and a 2 because that adds up to 10. Like I said, this cake is for the humans. Happy birthday to you.
She's happy.
The candles. Okay.
Everybody make a wish.
Quiet wish.
Happy birthday, Coke. Alright guys, so we celebrated my dog's birthday. That was super fun. I think I'm about to wash my face and head to bed. It is 10 o'clock. The cake was really good too. Happy birthday, Cookie. I've been watching Ozark. A lot of people told me to watch it and they just released season 3. Normally not the type of show that I would go for, but I actually really like it. Let me know if any of you guys like it. Apparently it gets really good like season 2. I'll stick it out. This has been it for this vlog. I think in the next one we'll be doing some more like fun activities, but hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. I guess I didn't even show my mom's I just said my mom's. My mom's finished hair, but it looks really good. She did it herself with the Dyson, so it's really an amazing piece of equipment. I'm so bad at blow drying my own hair though. She did it with like the round brush and it looked really good, so maybe I have to learn. But I'm gonna go to bed. Love you guys so much, and I will talk to y'all in... All right, love you. Love you guys. Bye.